Good afternoon, everyone. The poem that I'm going to be performing today is about how one moment of revelation can blur the borders between the fragility and the impossibility of our lives. Sometimes a moment, tender in its impossibility, exhales death, a cool blade of clarity as sharp as joy. The moment in question, the transcendence of robin wreathed in viburnum, strawberry matcha half lifted to lips, Egyptian duck bejeweled in frosty moonlight, late winter branch bare with longing, snagging stars, teasing fading into the early burble of laughter, a sentence in a story awakening a new person. All submit to ancient terror. Self battles back into existence. Moment, no longer separate from time, surrenders to its torrent. Immortality, once again an illusion, as real as death. Until another moment, ignorant of its impossibility, lapses momentarily to reunite death and immortality. There's an afterword as well. After all, after death, all our truths commingle, borderless, and make for the stars, darkly energized, to rip apart all the lies that we sustained when alive. Thank you.